on our way back to Cape Town. We had a very, very lovely stay at Overzicht campsite. What a lovely place. Very green and lush, comfortable, and it was so nice to just have this really strong flowing river there. Guys were fishing and we were swimming. Really nice. It served a fantastic purpose of being a really good first sort of recce for our adventure to Mabua. And already we've been able to isolate some things that we can do differently. The Land Rover crew, Greg and Hannah, they rented an iCamper from Go Camp, which worked really nicely. We had our full rig and setup there, and so yeah, there was lots of nice testing that was happening, and just re-solidifying the stuff that we're going to be taking with us, and cutting back a little bit of the stuff that we had with this time. So just a really nice sort of way to get ready for a big overland is to do some small preparation trips.
Today's a very exciting day. Well, tomorrow is the exciting day, but today is also very exciting because it's the day before we leave for Mabua. You're always so excited about this. We actually booked all of our accommodation and camping and everything in April last year already. So we have been planning this for a while. We're super excited. This is going to be so much fun. And because we are both creatives and a little bit extra, we obviously had to design logos and t-shirts for this adventure. I'm busy trying to pack all of our stuff. I don't know if you can see that behind me. That's only half of it. But we're trying to take like smaller bags this time because we want to be able to put them up in the tent with us and have easy access to all of our clothes and things like that. We've been packing for the last like 2 weeks because with a Jimny you really have to think about where you put stuff, and we don't like stuff just like lying around the car, and we also don't like taking more than we need to take. So every trip that we've done, we've got better and better at actually packing the stuff, which is quite nice. Realizing, you know, like you don't need everything when you're camping. I ordered this new toiletry bag from Take-A-Lot. I actually, to be honest, I thought it was going to be bigger, but it's got a nice little hook, which is why I like it, because then we can hang it up when we're in those kind of those round showers at Mabua, and we can hang it up and have all our stuff. So it actually fits quite a lot of stuff, which is quite nice. Obviously our toothpaste and our toothbrushes and stuff are going to go in there. And then we've got our baby wipes. I got a whole bunch of stuff from Faithful to Nature. I wanted to make sure it was all biodegradable and organic and all that kind of stuff, because obviously when you're out in the wild there, everything you use goes back into the soil. Andrew once told me that Velcro straps were a deal breaker. Oh, hi Ted. But there they are, and we're still married. One of the things that we did leading up to this trip, which was really fun, because we're going with a bunch of friends. We've traveled with some of them before. They're such nice people. We're really looking forward to doing this trip with them. And some of them have got like new cars, so we thought, let's go and spend a day in the dunes and all kind of have some fun in the sand and practice dune driving. So that's what we did. We went to Atlantis Dunes and we just had the best day. One of the Landys got stuck and we had to dig them out using our little Max Tracks. Lesson learned that you cannot use mini Max Tracks for a big Land Rover because they just shot straight into the sand, and we had to dig them out. They were so deep, but luckily we found them, so that was fine. But yeah, that was such a fun day. I think everyone got some good practice in. Everyone's feeling a little bit more confident driving in the sand, and yeah, we're really looking forward to doing some dune crossings on that road from Nassob to Mabua. I think Andrew's most excited about that. There's been some last minute changes to rigs, so Andrew's just helping our friend NJ out there. So this is our kitchen box. We've got everything we need to cook and prepare food and all of that nice stuff. Pantry box is completely packed now to the brim. This is like at the top, it's all the stuff for like breakfasts and quick snacks and pot course and stuff like that. Coffee, and then under here is all our cooking stuff. So we've got like rolls, pasta, biltong, some tins of kind of tomato stuff, 2-minute noodles, more coffee, corn chips for nachos. I've got my oats over here, breakfast stuff. Yeah, looking pretty good. Some more bread, and there's some potatoes at the bottom there. Oh, it's really nice. So this is, we're calling it our overflow ammo box. I think this is this is the one we usually use for our spares, so it makes sense. This is basically all the stuff that we can't fit in the pantry and we don't necessarily need in the first few days. Next, it was time to install our modular box and drawer system into Jimny. This system has honestly changed our lives. It makes all the difference having specific places to pack things in the back when you're working with such a small space. And because it's modular, it means we can remove it easily anytime we want to take the dogs to the beach. It consists of a fridge box and a slider designed to fit a 40-litre fridge, a pantry box and drawer slider, and a double-sided cubby. It also allows enough space for us to pack stuff on top of the boxes, so we're using every available space in the Jimny. This is our nice little cubby here. We usually put all of our like recovery stuff in there and just like extra kind of car stuff. But this time we've decided to use it a little bit differently. So we've got all our cleaning stuff in there, trash bags, and then we're going to put our mocha pot and I think gas canisters and probably toilet paper and stuff. So it's more like a little kind of utility box.
So I'm just busy installing the power for the fridge now. The cable runs from the battery box into this little hole and into the fridge.
Bit of our favorite escape gear stuff in the car is this kind of dash cover here. We keep our bird book in there, which is quite, it's like a perfect little spot for it. Another little like zippy thing up here.
Tire pressure monitor.
Yeah, Andrew got this the other day. It's quite cool actually. I don't think that's escape gear, but it's a little cubby thingy. We've got the gear stick cover and it's got little like pockets on either side there and there, so we keep our binoculars and stuff in there. That's our little wireless router that we take with us when we travel sometimes.
So we've got a bit of an overpowered air compressor, but it really saves us time when we're out on the road, so we like it a lot. And that goes underneath the floor shelf footwell space there.
Yeah, there's a nice little spot, perfect size for it.
As you can see.
Packing this car is actually like Tetris. We said it was just the fridge, but the whole car is like packing Tetris.
And there you go. The seat just fits.
Yeah.
So this is our new water tank. It's a 20-litre guy, and I've done a little modification to it here. I changed the bit and was able to add a garden hose end to it, which means that we can really detach it very easily. And it's going to be fitted over here in this holder, and it's going to have a tap that runs off of it. Let me put him in position for the time being so you can see. So he's got a little garden accessory hose there. And over here, we have the hose, which is going to come out of here and then run to the tap. That's just going to be sitting right over here. And what we're going to do now is cut this to size. But after we've installed this guy. So we just got to get the two little bolts, the nylock bolts, into the channel, and in order to do that I need to take this corner off and the bottle opener and slide them through, and then we'll be good to go. So the tap's going to sit over here, and I'm putting the underneath bolt in first just because that needs to go into this already drilled hole. There you go, hey?
Well done.
Just getting one last little bit. So the reason why we're doing this is so we can attach this hose and disconnect them whenever we need to, without having to take everything apart. And just like that, 1 times water tank. Cool. I'm so happy with that. I couldn't be happier. Cool. Thank you very much. Moist Mike made this happen. This is the exact same part that Front Runner sell, except this was 100 Rand versus 700 Rand.
So this is our coffee stuff. It's all out at the moment because I'm busy making coffee for the road. But yeah, we really like this stuff. This is probably our favorite gear that we have. These little Stanley French press and our Stanley flask and our nice little cup because they perfectly fit in the Jimny's cup holders.
Ready to go.
So we're on our way to Mabua.
Yeah!
The day is here. So I think we're going to end this Mabua prep packing video here. I don't know if we've forgotten to mention anything. We probably did in all the packing frenzy. Very exciting.
Very exciting. We have left a little later than we wanted to, which means that we've picked up the Friday morning traffic on the M3 in Cape Town. And for those of you who live in Cape Town and know the M3, you know the pain that we're in. So we'll be seeing our friends on the road in a little under 40 minutes.
They're also all running late, so it's fine. Yeah, we actually haven't even heard from some of them.
Yeah, I think they're still sleeping. But yeah, we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah.
That'll be Mabua, episode 1.
Hehehehe